Is Washington aware that we have video? Do they watch television? Now we have a more dramatic rewriting of history, this time on immigration, and this one happened just this week. Here is just a sample of the more than 24 times Mr. Obama claimed he did not have the power to ignore our immigration laws.
The notion that I can just suspend deportations through executive order, that's just not the case, because there are laws on the books that Congress has passed.
We're also a nation of laws. That's part of our tradition. And so the easy way out is to try to yell and pretend like I can do something by violating our laws. I know some here wish that I could just bypass Congress and change the law myself. But that's not how democracy works. Sometimes when I talk to immigration advocates, they wish I could just bypass Congress and change the law myself. But that's not how democracy works.
The problem is that, I'm the President of the United States. I'm not the Emperor of the United States. My job is to execute laws that are passed.
It was as if none of that had ever happened this week, after the midterms, when the president decided to do this thing alone, despite polls showing a majority of Americans did not want him to take that approach. Now he has signed the most sweeping executive action in American history without so much as a reference to all those times he said on camera to you. He said it directly to the American people that he didn't have the authority. And the man who often reminds us how he was a professor of constitutional law offered this, if you want to call it, an explanation.
Now, I continue to believe that the best way to solve this problem is by working together to pass that kind of common sense law. But until that happens, there are actions I have the legal authority to take as president, the same kinds of actions taken by Democratic and Republican presidents before me, that will help make our immigration system more fair and more just.
That was all we got.